Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Friday, October 6th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. Malafi, the Abu Dhabi Health Information Exchange, has revealed that it now connects 2 billion unique clinical records, providing doctors and other clinicians with unified access to 7.9 million unique patient records in the Emirate. Malafi uses the data to both build predictive risk models with artificial intelligence and to develop patient care, precision healthcare, and self-care apps and services. Meanwhile, ADNOC, the Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, has entered into a partnership with defense technology group 𝘱𝘰𝘮𝘦 to deploy UAE-made drones across its onshore and offshore operations. The drones will monitor operations, helping to provide support in emergency situations, prevent emergencies, and enhance the oil giant's environmental performance. And the UAE is deploying AI-powered lifeguards to make its beaches safer. The systems analyze live video feeds from waterfront cameras to detect possible incidents, such as identifying behaviors consistent with drowning, and then sound the alarm if a potential incident is detected. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.